Chhattisgarh by setting up a centralized kitchen in Bhilai in January 2009. It serves 175 schools across Chhattisgarh and total of 32,000 students. The highly mechanized kitchen, which is equipped with the latest cooking machinery, is ISO certified and maintains the highest standards of hygiene and efficiency. It has 8 customized meal distribution vehicles to deliver the cooked midday meals to the beneficiary schools. With the mission, "No child of India shall be deprived of education because of hunger," to be fulfilled, Akshay Patra's kitchen operation starts while the city is still sleeping. Clockwork precision, dedicated manpower, and innovative technology help them to cook hot and hygienic meals in single kitchen in less than 6 hours. And that is how every meal that goes into those 32,000 plates is warm, fresh, nutritious, and ready to eat. The process starts with procurement of vegetables, and it is done 2 days before the cooking day. It is based on the attendance details of the previous day. After arrival of the vans, the vegetables are taken to the weighing area. The next step is weighing and documentation. As and when the vegetables arrive, their weight and time of arrival are recorded and documented. Vegetables are washed first with chlorine water and then with fresh water. They are hand-picked and the waste vegetable quantity is recorded in wastage record. After the food has been taken out from the dirty vessels, they are brought back to Akshay Patra and cleaned using chemical water and fresh water. These are later stored in a separate area.
In today's video, they have rice, curry, and naan and sabji here. So you can see the big process is going on here.
In pre-processing stage, sorted vegetables are cut using machines. Spices and other ingredients required for cooking are also prepared at this stage. And now comes the hotter part, cooking. Here, 100 kg of rice is being cooked in one utensil. After cooking for 10 minutes, a quality inspector checks the quality of rice. The critical control point of rice is set at 92 to 96 degrees Celsius. The kitchen is regularly cleaned with jet sprays to maintain the hygiene. This ensures a clean working area. After cooking, the food is packed in a thermal suit. The packing is done according to route list. The route list provides data regarding the quantity of food to be packed in each tiffin. Packed suits are then transferred to the loading area.
So you can see that after the food has been cooked in the kitchen, this is the door from where the foods come out, and you can see these are the vessels in which today's menus are packed. Today's menus are rice, dal, and sabji. As you can see, there is a token pasted on every vessel, like it is 50%. That means in this vessel there are the food for 50 students, and there you can see a fleet of almost 9 to 10 vehicles. These vehicles are used for transporting the foods to the school, and all the vehicles, they transport the food in different routes. So as you can see that route wise the stacks are placed here, and this is the whole line. You can see that the guy is bringing the food, and it is getting stocked in every path, and after it has been stocked from 7 a.m. the transportation work will start. The vehicle will come here, it will load the food, and as you can see their documentation is going on, because prior to from every college, from every school, Akshay Patra gets the information that how many students are going to in the school.
The tiffins are loaded according to the route list. The food remains hot at 60 degrees Celsius even after 6 hours of arduous travel to reach remote schools. The 3 racks store the foods in an orderly manner so as to avoid spillage.